Haters. We all have them. And if you have them, trust me, it's a good thing. So this is yet another video about haters. I wanted to talk about something because I find that I look at things in the world with a much more of a wide-angle lens than most people. I find that most people tend to focus on what's going on right in front of them, and they only take it for what it is. Most people don't look at the really big picture, and I wanted to talk about haters because I have a certain way of looking at haters that can help a lot of people, I feel. So basically, I want to disarm your haters. If someone truly hated you, what would they do? They would want to move as far away from you as possible. They would never ever want you around. They would never want to see your face ever again. They would never want to mention your name ever again, or talk about anything that you're doing if they hated you that much. So if they're always going around saying bad things about you, that means they're always thinking about you. And if when they're at the gym, or if you're anywhere and they're always watching you, looking at what you're doing, anything like that, they're thinking about you. They love you. They're secretly your biggest fan. So to sum this all up, basically, your haters are secretly your biggest fans. They love you.
Go, my young ectomorph brethren, and use this concept in all of your journeys, and disarm your haters.